Welcome back to my channel. Now today's topic is how we locate and identify a break of structure. This topic was, or I would say will was a tough topic for me as a beginner because I struggled with it a lot. I found it very difficult to understand, and little by little, with much practicing, I got to understand that break of structure as an ICT trader and SMC trader is entirely different from how a retail trader will look at a break of structure. It took me a long time to be able to get to the level I am in, and I'm giving it to you so that you can actually understand how a break of structure is being created and how you can actually use it to your advantage. Now, market moves higher high, higher low, higher high. This high has to be broken up for it to signal a break of structure into the bullish direction, the buy direction. Another higher high. This has to be broken to signal another bullish momentum being taken place. This is for what? This is for a what? A buy. I'm trying to move it up. Now, for a sell, we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This low has to be taken out. This low has to be taken out for us to signal it as what? A break of structure. Now, there is one secret about break of structure. Markets must break out a structure with a body. That is one rule that you must have it at the back of your mind. That when market is breaking structure, if it breaks out with a wick, it is not going to be signaled as its break of structure. For the retracement, it's advisable to know that my ICT trader did 4 candle retracement backward before he continued his moment. It's like his continuation for the buy or sell, but my coach would tell me to always use 3 candles, and 3 candles is candles closing above each body before, as for the retracement, before the break of structure takes place. Now, this is how we know this is for a bullish momentum. This is for a bullish momentum. Another break of structure here has been taking place. Do not forget the 2 rows. The retracement back has to have more than 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, but more than 3 candles before it comes down into a fair value gap or other block. Then market must take this high here out to signal a break of structure with a body, not a wick. A wick signals liquidity. Now, if you look at the chart here, I chose this pair AUD USD. My coach is telling me then that this pair is, they call it extremist, that this pair is not a friendly pair to anybody. So it kind of made me always scared of this AUD USD. So I took the pair because it's an amazing pair that creates liquidity a lot. Now, if you look at this situation here, we have what we call a break of structure here. That's one. Another break of structure took place here. Why am I marking this extent? Because I want to show you that a break of structure took place with a body. Can you see that now? It took place with a body, signaling a break of structure. If you want to mark here as a shift of structure, it has not yet broken out with a body yet, so we'll be subconsciously alert that something is happening here because it has not yet broken out with a body, just a wick. There's tendency that market wants to grab liquidity and pull off, so we have to wait for a full body for it to take place. If you look inside this whole chart very, very, very well, you will see that, let me expand it very well for you. There was a break of structure here. You can see break of structure here, market shifted strength. There was a shift in market structure here. You can see that, right? Market came back to another block, this other block here. You can see because of the fair value gap, and there was a break of structure here. But this break of structure is liquidity. You can see it, right? Market, this candle closed with a wick. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying here. As long as there was not a body close but a wick, it is signaled as a form of liquidity. That's why I chose this pair, because it always liquidates everyone. It always comes out with a long wick. Now you can see the situation here. There was a break of structure. This is the wick that came in as a retracement. 1, 2, 3 candles. This candle, this candle, this candle closed above this candle, and this candle closed above this candle. So this is a complete retracement. So I'll put it at the lowest low of the candle and drag it down. You can see what happened. There was a wick. These were liquidities inside here, but market came down and pulled with a body. So if I want to mark this, I'll mark it as higher high, higher low. Do you see it? This is how I'm going to mark the chart. Because why? It came down here as a wick and not as a body. So it will have to pull down here as a higher low. Do you see? Then come back in here as our fair value gap and other block. If you go around your chart and practice it, you will see a big difference between using the wick. There's a break of structure here. You can see it's broke out with a body. I'm trying to find anyone that broke out with a wick so that you can see with your eyes that this is here for business. Okay. Let's see. Break of structure, change of character. Okay. Now you can see here higher, wait, let me draw it very well. No movement. Higher, high, higher low, break of structure, internal structure, break of structure, change of character here, mitigation block. Okay, if you look at these are internal structures, I want something that is good. Now, if you're using the swing method, you can realize that this is a break of structure here. This is a break of structure. Am I correct? Yes. Now, we're looking at this downside as markets come and take out liquidity because there was a retracement back in here as a swing structure targeting this fair value gap here and our other block. Now, markets came in here, if you look at it very, very well, and created liquidities. Can you see? Before it came down and came out with a body. But this is for a swing structure. Do you see that? This is for a swing structure. But if you look inside very, 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 very well, I'm trying to find a good example. There was a shift in market structure here. And there was what? A break of structure and a shift in market structure with a body. This is a shift in market structure. And you can see markets came here and reacted there. Now you have to go through your whole chart and play with it. You have to play with it very, very well. There was a break of structure here. Do you see it? Markets came out with a body. And what the market do here? Markets shifted out. This is the lowest low. The market broke it with a body, signaling that the trend has automatically changed. Do you see that? Let's go around. I'm trying to find you a one that forms a form of liquidity, or I'll use the word inducement. I'm not seeing one here on this pair. Okay, I found one. Now you can see that there was a higher, this is like an SND, higher low. There was a break of structure in here. If you look at this retracement, count it 1, 1, 2, 3 retracements back. Now, what are you expecting markets to do? We're expecting markets to what? To come and touch this other block, right? And continue its direction. What happened? Markets came in here and touched this wick here. It came out and liquidated us. We would have said, oh, market wants to change trend. But market liquidated us in as liquidity because the close of the candle, the swing point of the candle, the close of the candle did not come out with a body to tell us that market wants to change trend, but came out with a wick. So we're waiting for the next candle to form to know if it's a form of liquidity that has been created, like a swing point that has been created. You will know that yes, it's going to go massively down because liquidity has been grabbed already. So this is how you know when you are going to be used. This is how you know a valid break of structure. The big difference is the body. The market must come out with a body, either for a change of character or market is breaking you are doing your higher high and higher low, market should always break up with a body. The body is very important in your analysis. Your retracement, you look for 3 candles and above, candles closing above each other. I hope this video is going to make an impact in your trading. Don't forget to ask your questions on the comment section or subscribe, and I'll try my best to answer you. Thank you very much.
Me not feel like you're an angel in a demon.